Hello, creative people. Welcome to our channel. Have you ever tried to draw an Araucaria tree and ended up with a bunch of messy lines that didn't look anything like the real thing? Today, I'm going to show you that the secret isn't in perfection, but in understanding the shape of this tree. Shall we begin? We draw a vertical line representing the trunk. The crown of the Araucaria is like a bowl. This is the basic shape of this tree. If you liked today's topic, please like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. On each side of the initial trunk line, we draw two more lines, one on each side, starting wider at the base of the tree and tapering the trunk at the top. Now in the crown of the tree, we will draw several oval circles along the line of the bowl shape, and then some in the middle of the tree's crown. Starting from the center of each circle, we draw some branches connecting the oval circles to the trunk. The crown of this tree is like several spiky balls, so from the center of each circle, we will draw a line outwards representing the leaves. I teach the technique for this tree and other elements of nature in my book, Nature, Watercolor and Drawing Step by Step. This book is a complete guide to trees, stones, logs, bushes, and mosses. The book is for sale on Amazon, but it's free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. Take advantage and get yours now. The purchase link is in the video description. At the base of the Araucaria's crown, we will draw some smaller branches with new leaves growing. And that's it. Our Araucaria tree from start to finish is ready. What did you think? Was it easy or difficult? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked it, leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any other weekly videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. See you next time. Enjoy! They're still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers. Have you ever wanted to capture the beauty of nature, but didn't know where to start? I've created a guide to transform that admiration into lines and colors. In my new book, Nature, Watercolor and Drawing Step by Step, I help you decipher the essence of nature, from the initial sketch to the final watercolor artwork. Each step is designed to be light and enjoyable. The book is an invitation for you to relax and learn, step by step, how to bring life to the paper. Perfect for those starting from scratch or wanting to refine their style. The book is for sale on Amazon, but for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers, it's free. You can download and read it right now at no additional cost. You can search for the book title, Nature, Watercolor and Drawing Step by Step, or by the author's name, Norma Curato. Get yours on Amazon and start your journey today. I look forward to your review on the Amazon ebook page. See you soon!